everyone, welcome to the channel Indian Education, and today we will move forward to Geography, Solar System Part 1. Let us move to the contents, and the contents are solar system, then sun, then stars, and last is planets. Let us move to the first content, that is solar system. What is solar system? Family of sun is known as solar system. It is consist of 8 planets, sun, meteors, asteroids, comets, constellations, satellites, and etc. Sun. It is a hot ball of fire. It is the main source of heat and light. Sun is situated at the center of the solar system, and it is the head of the solar system. The next content is stars. You might have often wondered that what is the shiny thing in the sky twinkling at night. The shiny objects are called stars. The star doesn't have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. Next is types of planet. There are 8 types of planet in solar system. First, Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and then last is Neptune. Now I will introduce you all from the first planet, Mercury. It is the smallest planet in solar system. It has no moons. Mercury is named after messenger of Roman gods. Its day temperature is 400 degrees Celsius and its night temperature is minus 170 degrees Celsius. And it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Second planet is Venus. It is very hot planet. It is almost same size as the Earth and also known as Earth's twin. After sunset it is known as evening star, and before sunrise it is known as morning star. Venus is also named after Roman god of love and beauty. It has no moons. Now the next planet is Earth. Earth is our home. This is the only planet which contains life due to perfect climatic reasons and its uniqueness. It is also known as blue planet or watery planet. It has 1 known moons. It has best climatic temperature. It is spherical in shape. It contains 79% of water and 21% of land. It is the only planet in solar system which is named after the mythological deity. The next planet is Mars. Mars is also known as red planet. It has 2 known moons. It is named after Roman god of war. Mars is second smallest smallest planet. It is almost half of the Earth in size. It has almost the same period of rotation as the Earth. Now the next planet comes Jupiter. It is the largest planet in solar system. It has 53 known moons. It is named after ruler of Roman god. It is declared as mini solar system by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It has no life. The next planet is Saturn. It is the second largest planet. It is the only planet which have rings around it. The rings are made with icy particle. It is named after Roman god of agriculture and Jupiter's father in Roman mythology. Next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is turquoise in color. This planet is the most beautiful planet among all the planets present in the solar system. It has 27 known moons. Uranus is discovered by William Herschel in 1781. The next planet and the last planet comes Neptune. This planet is very far from the Sun. It is named after Roman god of sea. It has 14 known moons. It has no life. It is the coldest planet. And from here we have completed our whole chapter Geography, the Solar System Part 1. Please subscribe our channel for the Part 2 and it's time to quiz yourself. And the question is, which planet is termed as mini solar system and by whom? Please write your answer on the comment box and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And thank you all.